Children, it is a daily practice questions for day 2. Now let us solve these questions. The first question is, line that intersect the circle at only one point is called. You know that line that intersect the circle at only one point is called tangent. Here the options are secant, tangent, hypotenuse, altitude, but the answer is it is tangent. Line that intersect the circle at only one point is called tangent. You write the answer tangent. So you write the answer option B, that is tangent. B, tangent. Next you take the second question. The value of tan 45 degree. You know the value of tan 45 degree, that is 1. You must know the values of the trigonometric ratios from 0 degree to 90 degree, and the tan 45 degree is equals to 1. So you write the answer option A, that is 1. Then you take the third question. The correct relationship between mean, median and mode is. That is the empirical formula for mean, median, mode. So the correct relationship between mean, median and mode. The first option is median equals 2 mode plus mean. Second option 2 median equals 2 mode plus mean. Third one median equals 3 mode plus 2 mean, and 3 median equals mode plus 2 mean. So the answer is 3 median equals mode plus 2 mean. So you write the answer option D, that is option D. What is that answer? 3 median equals mode plus 2 mean. Mode plus 2 mean, you write. Then you take the fourth question. Areas of triangles are in the ratio 81:16, but the sides of two similar triangles is. It is said that they are the similar triangles. You know that areas of the similar triangles are in the ratio of their squares of the corresponding sides. So to find the sides, we have to get the root of each. Here, what is the root of 81? 81 is 9, and what is the root of 16? That is 4. The ratio is 9:4. Here you have to take the sides are in the square root of their areas. That is square root of 81 is to square root of 16. You have to take square root of 18 is 9 and square root of 16 is 4. Therefore the option A is the answer. So you write the answer option A, that is 9:4. If the sides are given and the ratio of the areas becomes their squares. If the areas are given, ratio of their sides becomes, we have to take their root. Then the next questions, answer the following. Fifth question. Write the formula to find the volume of the frustum of cone. Write the formula to find the volume of the frustum of cone. So then what is the formula? That is volume of frustum of cone equals, that is 1/3 pi into r1 square plus r2 square plus r1 r2 into h, you can write, or also you can write 1/3 pi h into r1 square plus r2 square plus r1 into r2. This h can be written before also. So both of them are correct. You write equals this one or equals this one. So then what is the formula to find the volume of the frustum of cone? Volume of the frustum of cone equals 1/3 pi into r1 square plus r2 square plus r1 into r2 into h. Then sixth question. Write the standard form of quadratic equation. What is the standard form of quadratic equation? Standard form of quadratic equation is standard form of a quadratic equation is, what is that? Ax square plus bx plus c equals 0. This is the standard form of a quadratic equation. Then write the midpoint formula. Midpoint formula is, if p of xy is a midpoint of line joining a of x1 y1, b of x2 y2, then p of xy equals what? x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. Here p is the midpoint of the line joining the points with the coordinates x1 y1 and x2 y2. So this is called the midpoint formula. P of xy equals x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. You can also write x2 plus x1 by 2, y2 plus y1 by 2. Both of them are correct here. This is the midpoint formula. Then you write the formula to find the sum of first n terms of arithmetic progression. What is the formula to find the sum of first n terms of arithmetic progression? That is S equals, two formula are there. S equals n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, when first term a common difference d, in short you write CD, D and n are given, number of terms n are given, or also you can write S equals n by 2 into a plus L, when first term a, last term L and number of terms n are given. Number of terms n are given. The next question, solve by using quadratic formula. It is 2 marks question. So you take the quadratic equation 2x square plus x minus 4 equals 0. 2x square plus x minus 4 equals 0. Here we have to solve this quadratic equation by using quadratic formula. You know what is that quadratic formula? That is x equals minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So here you must find the value of a, b and c first. So get the value of a, b and c. So what is a? A is the coefficient of the x square, that is a equals 2, and b is the coefficient of x, that is b equals 1, and c is constant, c equals minus 4. Now you write the formula. What is that? X equals minus b plus or minus whole root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. After writing the formula, substitute the value of a, b and c in this formula. This is a quadratic formula. Then you write x equals minus, you write minus, and you write the value of b. B is 1. Plus or minus you write, and square root of, again here you write the value of b square. B square means 1 square. 1 square and minus you write as it is minus 4 and value of a. What is the value of a? Value of a is 2 you got here. 2 c. Value of c is minus 4 divided by 2 into a. 2a means 2 into a is 2. Then x equals whole root minus 1 plus or minus. Here minus 1 you write as it is minus 1 plus or minus, right, plus or minus. After that you write whole root 1 square. 1 square is 1 into 1 1, and here minus 4 into 2 into minus 4. So multiply it. 4 2s are 8, 8 4s are 32, but minus into minus becomes plus 32. How much it is? It is plus 32, and 2 2s are 4. Next, here you write x equals, then you write minus 1 only, plus or minus you write, and square root of 1 plus 32. What is the sum of 1 and 32? Sum of 1 and 32 is 33 divided by 4. So here you got two roots, and root 33. Root 33 is irrational number. You write it as it is. So you write x equals minus 1 plus or minus root 33 is there. So you write plus root 33 by 4, or x equals minus 1 minus root 33 by 4. So you got the two roots. X equals minus 1 plus root 33 by 4, and the second root x equals minus 1 minus root 33 by 4. Here you got in the form of plus or minus. So you got the values of x, means you got the root by using the quadratic formula. Here the equation, quadratic equation 2x square plus x minus 4 equals 0 is solved by using quadratic formula. Now let us take the next question. Solve by factorization. You write the quadratic equation x square plus 5x plus 6 equals 0. You know that the LHS is a trinomial. You know the method of factorizing the trinomial by splitting the middle term. So here we have to factorize, means the middle term 5x must be splitted into two terms in such a way that their product is the product of 6 and x square, and their sum is equals to the 5x. So you take here PQ, product of factors 6x square, and P plus Q, sum of the factors, that is equals to the middle term 5x. So you must observe the table in which there is 6. You know that 2 3s are 3 2s are 6, or 6 1s are 1 6 6. Here you need 5. As this product is having same sign, the factors are having same sign, that is a sign of the middle term, plus. So you write 6x square 3x 2x 3x 2x, because you know that 3x plus 2x is 5x, and 3x into 2x is 6x square. Then you write x square plus 3x plus 2x plus 6 equals 0. Then you write x into x plus 3 plus 2 into x plus 3 equals 0, and the common factors are x plus 3. You write x plus 3, and the other bracket is, in the other bracket you write x plus 2. X plus 2 equals 0. Now you equate each factors to 0. You write x plus 3 equals 0, or x plus 2 equals 0. Right, x plus 3 equals 0, or x plus 2 equals 0. Then it becomes x equals 0 minus 3 minus 3, or x equals 0 minus 2 minus 2. So the solution you got, the two roots are x equals minus 3 and x equals minus 2. Now let us come to the next question. Now the question number 11. Find the nature of the roots of quadratic equation 2x square minus 3x plus 5 equals 0. So the nature of the roots of the quadratic equation depends upon the value of b square minus 4ac, and this is called the discriminant of the quadratic equation, and this says the value of b square minus 4ac says the nature of the roots of quadratic equation. Now to find the nature of the roots of quadratic equation, we have to find the value of b square minus 4ac. To find the value of b square minus 4ac, first you write the value of a, b and c in the quadratic equation, which is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equals 0. Here a is the coefficient of x square, that is 2. This is a, and b equals minus 3, and c equals 5. And you write the discriminant part, that is b square minus 4ac. b square minus 4ac. Find the value of b square minus 4ac. b is minus 3. b square means minus 3 whole square. And you write minus 4, you write a is 2, c is 5. So b square minus 4ac means minus 3 whole square minus 4 into 2 into 5, that equals minus 3 whole square is 9, minus 3 into minus 3, that is 9, 4 2s are 8, 8 5s are 40, minus 40, and you know that 9 minus 40, as they are having different sign, we have to subtract 9 by 40. 40 minus 9 is 31, but here the greater number 40 is having negative sign, so you write this is minus 31, and you know that minus 31 is a negative number, it is less than 0, so you got that is b square minus 4ac is lesser than 0. You got b square minus 4ac lesser than 0. The discriminant is lesser than 0. So what are the nature of the roots of the quadratic equation? Here the roots are not reals. There is no real roots for the quadratic equation 2x square minus 3x plus 5 equals 0. No real roots. You write no real roots. No real roots. Here b square minus 4ac is lesser than 0. Therefore, no real roots exist. Here you write what is the nature of the roots of the quadratic equation 2x square minus 3x plus 5 equals 0. Where roots are not real. Or also you can write roots are not real, or no real root exist. That is the solution for this one. That is, to find the nature of the roots of the quadratic equation, we have to find the value of b square minus 4ac. Then next to take, find the distance between the points 2, 3 and 4, 1. That is the 12th question. Find the distance between the points 2, 3 and 4, 1. Now let us take the points are a and b. We have to find the distance between a and b, that is ab. So write a 2, 3 and b 4, 1. So let us consider these are x1, y1, these are x2, y2. Now here you have to find out the distance, that is ab equals what? Or also you can take this as p and q also you can take, that is pq. Distance between p and q is pq. If you take distance between a and b, that is ab. So what is the distance formula? That is whole root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Then you write AB equals square root of x2 is 4 minus x1 means 2. x2 minus x1 is 4 minus 2 whole square plus then y2 minus y1. What is y2? y2 is 1, y1 is 3. So it is y2 minus y1 means 1 minus 3 whole square. Then you write AB equals square root of 4 minus 2 is 2, 2 square plus 1 minus 3 is minus 2 whole square. Then AB equals 4 plus 4. 2 square is 4, minus 2 whole square is also 4. So you got AB equals root, what is the sum of 4 and 4? 8. Then 8 can be expressed as AB. You can express this as square number into some other number, that is 4 into 2. And 4 is a square number. What is the root of 4? AB equals, what is the root of 4? Root of 4 is 2. 2 root 2 units. So the distance between the points 2, 3 and 4 on is 2 root 2 units. What is the distance? That is 2 root 2 units. Now let us take the next question. Find the area of the triangle whose vertices are minus 1, minus 5, minus 1, 3, minus 5, 5, 2. So let us consider these are the 3 points A, B, C or P, Q, R. So you take A minus 5, minus 1, B 3, minus 5 and C 5, 2. C 5, 2. So you got that this is the coordinates of the point A, these are the coordinates of the point B, and these are the coordinates of the point C. Now here let us consider these two are x1, y1, these two are x2, y2, these two are x3, y3. Then you write the formula for the area of the triangle when 3 vertices are given. So write A, area of triangle ABC equals, write the area of the triangle ABC equals half into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. y1 minus y2. Write the values here. Half into x1 is minus 5, y2 is minus 5 minus y3 means that is 2 plus x2 is 3, y3 is 2 minus of minus 1, then plus x3 is 5, y1 is minus 1 minus y2 minus of minus 5. Then you write 1 by 2 into minus 5 into the sum of minus 5 and minus 2 is minus 7 plus 3 into 2 plus 1 plus 5 into minus 1 plus 5 minus 1 minus of minus is plus 5, that equals 1 by 2 into minus 5 into minus 7 is minus 30, that is plus 35, plus 3 into 2 plus 1 is 3 plus 5 into minus 1 plus 5 means 5 minus 1, that you will get 5 minus 1 is 4. that equals 1 by 2 into 35, 3 3s are 9 plus 5 4s are 20. That equals 1 by 2 into 35 plus 9 is 44, 44 plus 20 is 64. 2 1s are 32s are. Therefore, area of triangle ABC equals 32 square units. 32 square units. Area of the triangle ABC is 32 square units. Now the 14th question. Find the coordinates of the point which divides the line joining the points 1, 6, 4, 3 in the ratio 1:2. Now let us consider. Here the points are A 1, 6, B 4, 3 and M1 is 2, M2 is 1:2. M1 is to M2 is 1:2. Now let us write the formula to find the point which divides the line joining the given two points. Here the formula is section formula, and if you consider these are x1, y1 and these are x2, y2, then the section formula is, that is, P of xy equals P of xy equals, write m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2 and m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. Then P of xy equals m1 is 1 into x2 is 4, 1 into 4 plus m2 is 2 into x1 is 1 by m1 plus m2 is 1 plus 2. Then m1 is 1, y2 is 3 plus m2 is 2, y1 is 6 by 1 plus 2, m1 plus m2, that is 1 plus 2. Then P of xy equals 1 4s are 4 plus 2 1s are 2 by 1 plus 2 3. Then 1 3s are 3 plus 2 6s are 12 plus 1 plus 2 3. That is P of xy equals 4 plus 2 is 6 by 3 and 12 plus 3 is 15 by 3, that you will get 3 1s are 3 2s are 2, 3 1s are 3 5s are 5. Let us take the 15th question. Solve by elimination method. The equations are x plus y equals 14, x minus y equals 4. So you take that x plus y equals 14 and x minus y equals 4. Consider this is the first equation, this is the second equation. In the elimination method, we have to eliminate any one of the variable. To eliminate the variable, coefficient of the variable must be same. So if you want to eliminate x, both the coefficient of the x in both the equation must be same. Here, in both the equation, x is having the same coefficient 1 with the same sign, and y y is also having the same coefficient with the opposite sign, that is +1 and -1. So if you want to, here both you can cancel. If you want to cancel x, here you have to subtract one equation from the other. If you want to cancel y, if you want to eliminate y, as they are having different sign, you must add first equation and second equation. So let us cancel y, as they are having same sign, let us add them and cancel y. So you take by first plus second. So you take first equation is x plus y plus x minus y. Here you add the LHS and RHS, RHS and RHS. 14 plus 4. This plus this equals this plus this. So you got x plus y plus x minus y equals 14 plus 4. Here you got 14 plus 4. Then x plus y plus x minus y. If you open the bracket, 14 plus 4 becomes 18. Now you can cancel plus y and minus y. So you can add this x and x. So what is the sum of x and x? X plus x is 2x equals 18. Then you solve for x. X equals 18 by 2. So 2 ones are 2 nines are, x equals 9 you got. X equals 9. Here you got the value of one variable. Now we have to find the value of the other variable y. So you take x equals 9 and substitute the value of x equals 9 in any one of the equation. Let us take the first equation. So you take, by substituting x equals 9 in equation 1. What is that equation? X plus y equals 14. X plus y equals 14. X is 9. 9 plus y equals 14. That is y equals 14 minus 9 equals 5 you got. So you got x equals 9, y equals 5. So if you verify, know that 9 plus 5 we will get 14 and 9 minus 5 you will get 4. So you got the values which satisfies both the equation. Now the 16th question, if tan 2a equals cot a minus 18 degree, where 2a is an acute angle, find the value of a. Here what you have to find out? We have to find the value of a. To find the value of a, here both LHS and RHS must be in the same ratio. So here tan is there, here cot is there. Try to have same on both the side. Here try to have tan on both the side or cot on both the side. So here already two terms are there. So it is not so convenient to convert this cot into tan. So try to convert this tan into cot. How will you convert this tan into cot? First you write this as it is. So write tan 2a equals cot a minus 18 degree. Tan 2a equals cot a minus 18 degree. It is discussed that we have to convert tan into cot or cot into tan, but here it is convenient to convert tan into cot because cot it is having two terms. So you convert this tan 2a in terms of cot 2a. So it becomes cot, and if you convert tan into cot, this 2a becomes 90 minus 2a. 90 minus 2a, that equals, write this cot a minus 18 degree as it is. Here it is very important step. Here what you have done, here tan is converted into cot. Why it is converted into cot? Here this is cot. RHS is in the ratio cot. So you have to convert this tan in terms of cot. And if tan is converted into cot, this 2a becomes what? 90 minus 2a. 90 degree minus 2a. Now here cot is there, here also cot is there. As they are same ratio, here you can equate this equals this. So this implies what? 90 degree minus 2a equals a minus 18 degree. 90 degree minus 2a equals a minus 18 degree. Now transfer a to the LHS and this 90 to the RHS, because here we have to find the value of a. We have to find the value of a. So you write minus 2a and transfer this a to LHS. This becomes minus a, and minus 18 degree you write as it is, and transfer this 90 degree to the RHS. That becomes minus 90 degree. Here these two are having same sign. Add them and put the negative sign. So 2a and sum of 2a and a becomes 3a. That is negative 3a. Minus 2a and minus a adds to get minus 3a. That equals. These two are also having same sign. And what is the sum of 18 and 90? That is 118 degree. Now here you will cancel. That is 3a equals 108 degree. Then a equals 108 degree by 3. Then you try to cancel here. 108 degree divided by 3. 3 3s are 9. 1 8 throws 3 6 are 18. So you will get 3 1s are 336 degrees. So you got a equals what? 36 degree. A equals 36 degree. In this way here, by converting both LHS and RHS in the same ratio, same trigonometric ratio, we got the value of a. Now the 17th question, in an AP 3, 8, 13 so on, find 10th term. Find 10th term. So you write the arithmetic progression 3, 8, 13 so on. And also you write here what we have to find out. We have to find the 10th term. Then the first term a is 3. And common difference D is a2 minus a1. Here a2 is 8, a1 is 3. So 8 minus 3. 8 minus 3 equals what? 5. And what you have to find out? Here 10th term is to be find out. So you write n equals 10, an equals question mark. Now you write the formula for an. An equals a plus n minus 1 into d. Here we have to find out a 10, n equals 10. A is 3, 3 plus n is 10 minus 1 into d, d is 5. So a 10 equals 3 plus 10 minus 1 is 9, 9 into 5. That is a 10 equals 3 plus 9 5s are 45. That is a 10 equals that 45 plus 3 is 48. You got that. A 10 equals 48. The 10th term is 48. 10th term is 48. Now the question number 18. Prove that the lengths of tangents drawn from an external point to a circle are equal. It is a theorem of the circle chapter, and it is a theorem on the tangents from a external point to a circle. This theorem is already proved in the circle chapter, and also it is proved in the mathematics model question paper given by KCB and others. Here 4 question papers are solved, and if you go through that question paper, you will get the proof of this theorem. And also if you go through the circle chapter, then also you will get the proof of this theorem. Go through the circle chapter or go through the model question paper to learn the proof of this theorem. Next question, 19 question. Question number 19. Draw a line segment of AB 8 cm and divide it in the ratio 3:2 by geometrical construction. And next question number 20. Construct tangents to a circle of radius 5 cm such that the angle between the tangents is 60 degree. And question number 21. Draw a triangle ABC with side BC equals 6 cm, AB equals 5 cm, angle ABC equals 60 degree. Then construct a triangle whose sides are 3 by 4 of the corresponding sides of the triangle. All these construction are done in the construction chapter. So the question may be different, but the methods are same here. Follow the steps of the construction done in the construction chapter and you learn the construction and do this construction of 19th question, 20th question and question number 21. So follow the steps of the construction in the construction chapter and complete the construction for the given questions here. Now the question number 22nd. Find the sum of the AP 8, 3 minus 2 up to 22 terms. Here take the AP 8, 3 minus 2 so on. And now you take the first term, that is 8. A is equals to 8. Then D equals 3 minus 5, 3 minus 8, 3 minus 8, that equals minus 5. And here we have to find the sum up to 22 terms. So you take n equals 22 and s equals question mark. Then you write the formula for s. S equals n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. That equals n is 22 by 2 into 2a. A is 8 plus n is 22 minus 1, d is minus 1. S equals 2 1s are 2 11s are 11, 2 8s are 16 plus 22 minus 1 is 21 into minus 5. That equals S equals 11 into 16, 21 5s are 1 5s are 5, 5 2s are 10 minus 105. Then it is 16 minus 105 means we have to subtract 16 by 105 minus 105 by, that is by minus 105 we have to subtract 16, that becomes 5 minus 6, that is 9 you will get here, and 9 minus 1 8, that is negative 89. S equals 11 into minus 89. Then minus 89 into 11, 11 9s are 99, 11 8s are 88, 88 plus 9, 97. So you got S equals minus 979. Therefore you got the sum minus 979. Here the question was find the sum of the AP 8, 3 minus 2 so on up to 22 terms. You got the sum which is equals to minus 979. Number 23. Here the production yield in kg per hectare is given and number of farms are given. Change the distribution to more than type distribution and draw its ogive. Here we have to draw the more than type ogive. So you take the production yield in kg per hectare. Production yield in kg per hectare and number of farms. So write the class interval that is given, but here we have to draw the more than type ogive. For more than type ogive we have to take the lower limit of the class. you have to take the lower limit of the class. So first you take more than 50, more than 50, then more than 55, more than 55, then more than 60, more than 60, and more than 65, more than 65, more than 70, more than 70, and more than 75, more than 75. Now here we have to find the total number of frequencies, that is 2 plus 8 10, 10 plus 12 22, 22 plus 24 46, 46 plus 38, that is 84, 84 plus 16 you will get 100. Totally 100 are there. So you can subtract, first you take 100 and you subtract 2 and write, or otherwise you start from the last 16 and add from here to here. Here for the more than type ogive we have to subtract from the total sum from the upper to lower side, or we have to add from the last frequency to the upper side by adding the next frequencies. So here let us start from the lower side, that is more than 75, that is 75 to 80, 16 are there. Next more than 70, 30 plus 16, here we have to add 16 plus 38, that is how much? 54. Then 54 plus 24, 54 plus 24, that is 78. 78 plus 12, 78 plus 12 is 90. 90 plus 8, 90 plus 8 is 98, then 100. So here you can start it from 100 and subtract 2 from 100, again you subtract 8, again you subtract 12, you will get the same. First you will get 100, then 98, 90, 78, 54, 16, or for our convenience let us start from the last class interval 16 and let us add the 32, this one, next 24, next 24, next 12, next 8, next 2, etc. So then you will get, that is also like this. Here more than 50, how many forms are there? 100. More than 55, 98 forms are there. More than 60, 90. More than 65, 78. More than 70, 54. More than 75, 16. Here you got, that is the more than type distribution you got. Now we have to draw the ogive. To draw the more than type ogive, take this lower limit on the x-axis and that is C, this cumulative frequency, that is number of forms on the y-axis. So let us come to the graph here. You take it as a origin and it starts from the lower limit 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75. Let us write here 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85. And here it starts from 0 to 50. So let us have the abstraction here. Then the number of forms means frequencies on the y-axis, that is maximum is 100. So here count the number of boxes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 are there. Here there are 10. So let us take 1 centimeter equals 1 unit. So 1 centimeter equals 10 units, let us take, that is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Now you write, that is, here we have taken more than means lower limit. Lower limit of what? Lower limit of yields in kilometer per hectare. Lower limit of yields in km per hectare, and this is number of farms. So you take number of farms, that is, actually it is a CF. Now let us mark the point. First one is 50, 100. 50, 100. So where is 50? 50 is here. Straight you go to 100. Then next one 55, 98. So 55 is here. Straight you go to 98. 98 means it is 2468. It comes here. Then 60, 90. 60, 90. 60 is here. Go straight to 90. This is 90. Then 65, 78. 65, 78. So 65 is here. Go straight to 78. So 78 comes here. Then 70, 54. 70, 54. So 50 is here. 54 comes here. Then 75, 16. 75 is here. 16. 16 means 10, 12, 14, 16. Now you join all these points. Here you got the ogive, that is more than type ogive. Here you got that it is more than type ogive. More than type ogive. Here we have changed the distribution to more than type distribution, and we got a ogive for the more than type distribution, that is the more than type ogive. Then next question, find the median of the following data. Here class interval and frequency are given. We have to find the median of the following data. So here third column is needed, that is cumulative frequency. So let us write once again the CI, F and CF. CF is cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency, that is CF. Now first Right, 20, 24, 40, 60, 60, 80, 60, 80, 80, 100. Write the frequency 7, 15, 20, 8. Now get the CF. CF means it is in the increasing order from upper to lower side. So you write the first frequency 7. Next 7 plus 15, that is 22. 22 plus 20, 22 plus 20 is 42. 42 plus 8, 42 plus 8 is 50. Here n equals how much? Add this 22 plus 20 plus 40. Here it becomes 22. 22 plus 20 is 42. 42 plus 80 is 50. So you got 50. N equals 50. Then to find the median class, find n by 2. So what is n by 2? N by 2 is 50 by 2, that is 25. So the nearer greater, here 22 is less than 25, so you can't get this median class. So you take the 42, that is the nearer greater. So this is the median class. 60, 68 is the median class. Therefore you write, therefore the median class is 60, 70. Why you have to take 60, 70? Here n by 2 is 25 and nearer greater in the CF is 42 only. So we have to take this class 60, 80. Then find the lower limit. Then L equals lower limit of the median class, that is 60, and H, the size of the class is 80 minus 60, that is 20, and F. What is F? F is the frequency of the median class. Frequency of the median class, that is how much? This is F and this is CF. F equals 20 and CF is the cumulative frequency of the below the median class, that is how much? 22. 22. Now you write the formula for median. What is the formula for the median? Median equals L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. That is L. L is how much? That is the lower limit of the class. 60 we have to write. In the place of L you write 60 plus n. N is here total number of frequency, that is n equals 50. So write 50 by 2 minus CF. CF is 22. F is 20 into H is also 20. That equals 60 plus, we will get 25 minus 22 by 20 into 20. Because 50 by 2 is 25, then it is 60 plus 20, 20 cancels. 25 minus 22 is 3. So you got 63. Then what is the median? Median is 63. Here the question is to find the median. So you got the median. Median is 63. Next, 25th question. Prove that if in two triangles corresponding angles are equal, then their corresponding sides are in the same ratio or in same proportion. They are in proportion, and hence the two triangles are similar. It is a statement of AAA similarity criteria, and it is a theorem in the chapter triangle. Children, this theorem is already proved in the chapter triangle. So you go through the playlist of triangle chapter, and this theorem is proved in the part 6, sixth video of the triangle chapter, that is part 6. So children, go through that video and learn the proof of this theorem, which is 4 or 5 marks question. There may be questions state and prove AAA similarity criteria theorem, or it may be like this way. The statement will be given, you must prove this theorem. So anyway, you go learn it by using the video lessons in the playlist of triangle chapter, that is part 6.